Hello everyone, my name is Darshan Shah from DM Gems Group, and before we start I would like to thank Lucent Simic for giving us this opportunity of showing the process of cutting and polishing of lab-grown diamonds. Well, as you may know, cutting and polishing of diamonds is same as mined diamonds coming over the years, still traditional, but there have been really good improvements with the technology being used and the process which is much faster than before. So, well, as we know that we are giving this presentation or video on cutting and polish lab-grown diamonds. Diamonds, as you know, CVDs, they come in cubic form and they still go through poly removal. But if you see the stone, you still can see there is a lot of poly around. Well, after even the poly removal is done, the stone goes through planing. Then after planing, it goes through laser curving, then again planing, blocking, and then final polishing. So this stuff has to go through planing first. I'll show you the planing part. Come with me. As you can see, once the poly removal is done with laser curving, the stone is mapped and planned. You can see here the way it is phased for planning, and the multiple offcuts and the main stone coming out of this particular rough. This is how it is planned. From here, after planning is confirmed, it goes for laser curving. Once the stone is planned and marked, you can see the marking line going through. It is set on a setup station for laser curving to remove the extra areas and to remove the inclusions. Now let's go for the laser curving part. Once the stone is set into a die, it goes to the laser machine where again it is set with the point to start and the point to end in a laser. Once that is set, it is curved. It takes around approximately 15 to 20 minutes to curve one single side. Once the stone is set and curved and the extra area has been removed, this is how it looks. Once the stone is curved, you can see all the extra areas have been removed from here. There are still a few extra areas which are then processed on a diamond scale. You can see after removing everything, the stone has been planned for a carat approximate weight. Now let's go for the blocking process. As you saw, as the laser curving is done, now we have to go through the blocking process. This is how we block. We still use the traditional tops to block it, as it is handy and easier to block the stones. After blocking, which is half blocked, it goes to bruting. As you may see in here, the stone with the diameter is set and it starts bruting. Well, the traditional way has gone now, but the way the machine works and the basics of the machine to work are still traditional. Once the stone is bruted, it is again sent for scanning to see the maximum still yieldable stone from the blocked material and bruted material. This is how the final result would be, and then it goes for final polishing. In final polishing, this is the latest tools that we use and the tops we use, wherein each and every parameter, every symmetry is taken care of, and all the facets are faceted in a very particular way to yield a triple excellent round cut stone.